Marlin started as an emergency services business, and it's growing somewhat in those services, but the real growth within Marlin, it really comes as the U.S. increases pipeline integrity programs across the grid. There's very few companies that can come in and support keeping customers on gas while this kind of work's being done. So we see a tremendous opportunity for growth in pipeline integrity work, while at the same time still maintaining our emergency services. Marlin has a number of factors that make it one of the premier providers, as if they were on a pipeline, by using mobile assets.
We have the largest CNG fleet in the nation, and we can go just about anywhere in the country and supply natural gas needs. Gas has to go in a pipe to go to the customer, and that's what we specialize in. Mostly pipeline companies that are testing their pipes, or anybody that's going to have an outage for any reason to replace pipe, or if they do have an emergency where they have a line break and they need to take that line out of service, they call us and we come supply gas while they're fixing the pipe.
All the drivers are tanker endorsed and they're hazmat endorsed. But in addition to that, we train the drivers on operator qualification, OQ training. And therefore, they're allowed to engage with utility assets, pipelines and valves. And there's some unique assets within Marlin itself.
The equipment is very unique in that we carry probably the largest inventory of high pressure equipment in the country that's mobile.
There's a patented offload regulator that's skid mounted that allows for adjustment to the pressures that are required by the customer. If you had to construct a decompression station or a regulator station, it could take you 6 months and $500,000 to do that, to achieve what we can do by just bringing the skid in immediately.
Thelma and Louise are two large high pressure portable trailer mounted compressors. Although they're identical, they do normally operate a little differently.
In addition to which, Marlin has 3 skid mounted large compressors that can do high volume, which we believe is the only company in the United States that has this size compression that's available to be used if there's an emergency or a job that requires pressuring up the gas. Well, one of the things we're proudest of, and what is the number one thing that Marlin insists on, is safe operations, and that's why we train our guys. That has resulted in no incidents, no OSHA recordables, no DOT incidents over the life of Marlin. And that is one of the things that Chesapeake Utilities brings to Marlin as a partner, is a high level of safety training. And Chesapeake is an outstanding organization, and the employees here know that, and it's been nothing but success from the beginning as far as how they've been treated. They're ecstatic about the opportunities that they see in front of them with Chesapeake Utilities, and also the benefits and the way they take care of their employees. It shows.
Everybody that I have met the last couple of years at Chesapeake has been extremely happy to be working for Chesapeake. The difference being with the new company is the ability to scale this business up to a much higher level and to service more customers is probably the best thing that could have happened to Marlin.
And so they've been very satisfied and excited about the opportunity to be part of the Chesapeake Utilities family.